brownie cookie from the book Magnolia Table. So the ingredients we're going to need for this recipe is white sugar, brown sugar, chocolate chips, cocoa powder, flour, vanilla, baking powder, butter, and eggs. The first step for this recipe, we're going to take in a medium microwave safe bowl, we're going to combine the 2 cups of chocolate chips and the butter. We're going to microwave it on high for about 20 seconds. In intervals, between intervals, you're going to mix it until it's smooth. Transfer our chocolate mixture into our mixer and we're gonna let it cool. While the chocolate mixture is cooling, sift together the flour, cocoa, baking powder, and salt in a separate medium bowl. Now, to our chocolate mixture, we're going to add the eggs, the granulated sugar, the brown sugar, and the vanilla. be mixed, we're gonna add in our flour mixture at low speed. Well combined, we're gonna add in our leftover half of a cup of chocolate chips. Using an 1-ounce scoop, portion the dough onto one prepared baking sheet. You do not need to space them out. Now we're going to chill until it's firm, and then about 45 minutes. Now that they have cooled, we're gonna put them in the oven at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 14 minutes. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have a recipe you would like me to do, just put it on the comments.